Hello everyone, welcome back to the Unfiltered Japan YouTube channel. I'm your host, Vegan Oji, or Alex. Today I'm taking you with me to explore Takaosan. Do you know Takaosan? It's just a little mountain just about an hour away from Tokyo, so this is a great place to come if you ever get tired or overwhelmed from all the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. Let's get started on our journey. Are you ready? All right, because I'm excited. Let's go. Starting from Shinjuku, actually. All right, so here we are in the middle of Shinjuku. You can actually get some discounted tickets from Shinjuku Station to Takao Station. And then what I went for is I went for the Ofuku, which is the round-way ticket from Shinjuku Station to Takaosanguchi. And then we also have the return ticket from Takaosanguchi to Shinjuku Station. And with that as well, I also got a one-way ticket for the cable car because we're gonna be climbing up the mountain and then riding the cable car back down. So this is also worth considering if you want to take a ride on the cable car. All right, and as you can see here, we are at the base of the mountain. We are gonna go up by the Ichigoro, which is the trail number 1, which takes about 100 minutes up, 90 minutes down. So it's gonna be pretty, I think, easy pace. It takes a little while, but it shouldn't be too steep or too hard, especially if there are any beginners out there watching the video who want to climb this mountain. Yeah, let's find out what's in store together as we climb up the mountain. I'm ready to go. Are you ready? Are you ready, baby? Let's go. Ooh, we are just at the base of the mountain, but it's climbing a lot already. And look at this. Oh, look at those beautiful trees. I love the greenery there. Gosh, that's just so beautiful. Let's get started. It says, beware of fire. Yeah, this is my very first time on this path, so I'm actually pretty excited to see what it's like, see what it holds, and yeah, see you later on the route.
This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd ever hit.
I guess it's also because we have like a pretty heavy backpack, but I mean, look at this slope. Time for a little break. Oh, like you never know that we were just right out of Tokyo. Isn't that crazy? Well, make sure you come equipped, especially as it gets closer to summer. It's gonna get really, really hot, even though the shade from the trees is really nice. So I wanted to climb this thing before it gets too late at noon too, otherwise. Tokyo is probably just a little bit farther. Oh, wow, just take a look at that. As you're hiking, you get tired, you gotta refill that energy. So I wanna make a little brief stop to get some Dango, a traditional Japanese sweet. I'm going for the kurumi miso dare, which is a glazed miso and nut. There you go, get a little ticket and then こちらでお願いします。はい、お団子ですね。はい。美味しそうですね。
はい、こちらになります。
はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
まずいただきます。Nice and warm, and more than warm, it's hot. Which, by the way, in Japan, when you're done eating something like this, in general, you either want to take your trash with you home, or, top tip, you can give it back to the store where you bought it. So just like this.
Planning a trip to Japan soon. Is your internet set up already? I'm having the best time in Japan right now, and honestly, World eSIM has made this trip so smooth and easy. You can get started super easily through the app, so there's no hassle with pickups or returns. From praying at Sensoji in Asakusa to filming the amazing views at Kiyomizu-dera and the 1,000 Torii gates in Kyoto, I can instantly upload high-quality photos and videos to social media, even in huge crowds. Checking complex train transfers or navigating straight to that hidden gem ramen shop is totally seamless. Setup is super simple, and if you ever run low on data, you can easily top up through the app. It'll definitely make your next trip so much better. You can get it right in the app, so go check it out.
This is why I guess there was a sign about monkeys, because there's a monkey park up here. I didn't know that, actually. Oh, look at the cute little monkeys. Aww. おー、すごいタコ。
引っ張りだこ。
引っ張りだこ。引っ張らないと
ああ、違う。人気者になるってこと。
引っ張りだこ。Let's do 引っ張りだこ. So maybe with this, we'll get to 1 million. Look at that. All right, we just hit a fork in the road and we could either have taken the right path to get up the mountain, but we're gonna go the temple path. Check out what's waiting for us here. Oh, check this out. So many more places to explore as well. I've never seen this before, or this kind of pathway before. We are 20 minutes away from the summit, which is crazy because we've been climbing for what feels like hours. But we've been taking so many breaks. We're just like eating and taking breaks and taking pictures. So still 20 minutes away, but we're almost there. We are almost at the top. If I remember correctly, we just gotta pass, climb over this last little hill, and we are there. Oh, I'm loving these views already. Check that out. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. You can see all of Tokyo. Oh, it always takes longer to get up here than you would think, huh? Let's check out the views. Mount Fuji right there on a beautiful day. I mean, it is a beautiful day today, but less cloudy day. It'll look even more awesome. Oh, also, one thing I forgot to say. I mean, this view is amazing, but depending on which season you come, if you come in autumn, I'm sure the colors will be completely different, and that'll be a whole other view. Even winter would be cool to come. Summer may be a little hot, but I will say that under the trees, after you do the hard part of the climb in the first half, then it's pretty easy going, and it's very cool, a lot cooler than in the hot streets of Tokyo. We got it, we made it to the top. There you go. Now we're just gonna walk down to the cable car and get a nice, smooth ride all the way to the base of the mountain. Look at that. Wow, now that's a true cable car. It's literally on cables. Oh, it's amazing.
Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard,
We gotta say hi.
making less. Some days are bad, bad at best.
All right, we are out of the cable car. We're just making our way down right to the end of Takaosan, back to where we started our journey. Arigatou gozaimashita. And on your way back, you might notice, again, as it was when we were growing up, but there's a lot of stores the whole way down where you can buy everything from souvenirs, tsukemono, the pickled vegetables, other Japanese food items, more snacks. They were selling manju. You could get some, inari sushi. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Get some nice inari sushi. And all kinds of things. So a new adventure begins as we then look to fill our stomachs. You can also get some kuri, the yakiguri. What is kuri in chestnuts? Yeah, you can get some like roasted chestnuts. Those are always super good. I really love them. We really have all kinds of things just waiting for you to explore them. Let's make our way back to the station and let's close this one out.
Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your
All right, guys, and that concludes today's video, today's special edition video of Unfiltered Japan, where we came and visited Takaosan, Takao Mountain, right about an hour away from Tokyo. I hope you really enjoyed this new style of video that we're trying, where we get to showcase some places that we think you might like to visit when you come visit Japan, other than the typical, Shinjuku, Shibuya, Harajuku. I think we'd like to pick up a few more places that we think are cool, and hopefully you'll have a chance yourself to come visit one day. So thank you so much for watching once again. I hope you had a great time. I had a great time. The first half of the climb was kind of steep, but it was super fun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know what you want to see next, what places you would like us to maybe go to and showcase for you, and hopefully we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.